Boy, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm going to tell you guys real quick the importance of you dispatchers out there, especially you guys who aspire to become dispatchers and start your own dispatching company.
Hey, Manny, where you been at? Man, Manny been focused. That's where Manny been. Manny been focused. Manny ain't been having time to be playing around out here. You know, hopefully I inspired you guys in 2019. Hopefully I motivated you guys to stay inspired in 2020. A lot of you guys out there are going to be those people. Man, I'm gonna wait till January 1st, 2020 to start my business, man. I'm gonna wait till 2020 to get in that gym, man. This is what Manny been doing. I'm talking about Manny ain't ate meat in 36 days. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about discipline. I'm done eating meat. Who wanna ride that train with me? You know? Who wanna ride that wave, man? You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about pure discipline. Hopefully you guys out there, man, have been motivated, man. You know what I'm saying? So when it come down to 2020, don't get out here and start doing everything that you've been doing in 2019. I'm talking about in 2020 for Manny and Manny's family. Hey, it's about to go down. You know, we doing some new stuff out here. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about January, moving back to Florida, moving back to the Sunshine State. You know what I'm saying? Moving back to that tranquil environment, man. It's something about Florida, man. Big shout out to Florida, man. Anybody watching this video, anybody out there who live in Florida or visited Florida, all y'all know what I'm talking about, man. I'm talking about the best time in my life, one of the best states I've ever lived in. So in January, man, I got a big move coming. So that's what Manny been doing. Manny been focused. Manny been focused on stacking up that money. That's what you guys should be doing out there. You guys should be focused. You know what I'm saying? Never let nobody take you off your game out there. So in 2020, new content coming. I'm gonna create a new channel, and that channel gonna be lifestyle. That channel gonna be talking about getting to the money, talking about family, taking trips, vacations. I'm talking about vlogs. I'm talking about cars. You know, everything and anything is gonna be on my new channel. This channel is going to remain straight truck. You know, so it's gonna be straight hotshot trucking, straight trucking. I'm gonna be telling you guys and teaching you guys the game still on freight broker and dispatch and leasing on owner-operators to your company. Whatever it is, man. Hey, you guys wanna learn anything out there, like I always tell you guys, send me an email, broker@mannystrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Man, 2020 is about to be amazing. You know, sometimes in life you just gotta set yourself up for the excitement. You know, that excitement is not just going to fall into your lap. You know, so for me, I woke up one morning about 4 weeks ago, came home. It was cold outside here in Indianapolis. I was out there running, trying to stay in shape, and I came home. My wife was still in the bed with our newborn baby. I said, hey, we moving back to Florida. You know? That's the type of boss moves I make, you know? Be a boss out here, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been a worker. So I want to always encourage you guys out there, man, to not give up, man, to keep striving out there, man, to tune in to this new channel coming, man. I'm trying to tell you, I'm dropping pure new content in 2020, and I'm going to still drop content on this channel. But, hey, if you guys want to just get some true inspiration, too, you know, get that real Manny, seeing what Manny is doing on a day-to-day basis out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, so I'm talking about stay tuned to that new channel. Man, I think you guys gonna like it. You know, you guys gonna get, you know, another side of me. You know, on this channel, I'm just talking about, you know, trucking, but trust me, I got a lot of experience. I got a lot of stuff going on out in this world too. You know, so tune in to that new channel. I'll be dropping that, the information on that channel here in some future videos, but it's about to take off January 2020. So real quick, hey, I just want to let you guys hear something real quick. I went out and got me a new exhaust, put on my Sierra. Man, that thing sound nice. Hold up for me. Woo. Thing sounded nice. Man, I love that truck. I'm talking about start getting things in life out there that you love. You know, start doing the things that you enjoy doing. That's what life is about. You know what I'm saying? Life ain't meant to be boring. You know, life is meant to be lived on an exciting level. So, real quick, I just want to touch on, you know, the end of the year revenue, you know, my thoughts on the trucking industry, and pretty much, man, what I got going on in 2020. You know, so I'm not gonna get in the specifics of how much money I grossed or netted in 2019, but just know this: it's more money than I've ever made in my life. I'm talking about in my entire life. You know, so the most money I've ever made in 1 year was in 2019. You know what I'm saying? So, man, let that sink in for a minute. What have I been doing? I've been running trucks. I've been brokering freight. I've been dispatching owner-operators. I've been leasing people on to my company. I've been training people. I've been mentoring. I'm an affiliate marketer, you know, in the partnership program with DAT and TAFS. My YouTube channel's monetized. I got a rental property. You know what I'm saying? Just to name a few. So, I'm an author. I'm getting book sales. Come on now. And I ain't trying to brag. And I ain't trying to boast right now. I'm just trying to inspire people. You know how many people I inspired in 2019 that quit their job? How many people now is making additional income because they started to broker freight? They started to dispatch owner-operators? Or I showed them how to lease on owner-operators to their company for profit? Come on now. So, one thing I just want to tell you guys out there, man. Like I say, I'm not getting into the specifics. But if you guys out there are grossing $300,000–$400,000 in your trucking company, but you're only seeing 90K of it, nah, that ain't good. That ain't good enough for me. Because that means you out there hustling too hard. You ain't working smarter. You working harder. You being away from your family. I get to wake up every morning, you know, with my family. And that's what I'm trying to inspire. That's what I'm trying to motivate you guys out there. In 2020, I'm gonna get specific on the dollar amount I made. But trust me, like Nipsey say, all money in, no money out. If y'all don't understand that, you don't understand me. You know, so in 2020, I'm focusing in on brokering, dispatching, and leasing people on to my trucking company. Trucks and running trucks is additional income. The trucking side, too much overhead. You guys got to figure out how to start maximizing your profit out there. I tell you guys that in every video out there, man. So in 2020, stop waiting, man. On Christmas Day, I'm doing a 25% discount on any product, any service that I provide. So 25% gonna be on December 25th all the way up until January the 2nd. So go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Send me an email at broker@mannystrans.com if you guys have any questions. 30-day free trial with DAT, man. Go get your 30 days free trial with DAT. Like I told you guys, I made a lot of money off that load board. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans-Am Financial Service, if you guys are looking for a factoring service out there. I got a live workshop, me and my business partner, Antoine West. A live workshop going down on February the 15th through the 16th. Hit me up on my email. I'm about to start getting back with everybody out there who have already sent me emails and giving you guys all of the full details and the information. It's going to be in Orlando, Florida. Like I say, I'm moving back to the Sunshine State. You know, as you guys can see out here, it's snow. here in Indianapolis. But it ain't gonna stop me. It ain't gonna stop that hustle. It ain't gonna stop that grind. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.